First, beat the butter in a bowl until it becomes white. Then add powdered sugar and mix until dissolved. Add egg yolks and mix well. Then add vanilla extract and cardamom powder and mix. Finally, add flour to the mixture and mix until a uniform dough forms. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth and white. Then take portions of the dough and shape them into round balls, about the size of walnuts. Let the prepared dough balls rest in the kitchen for 1 hour. Beat the egg whites until they become white. Dip each dough ball into the beaten egg whites, then roll them in powdered pistachios or powdered walnuts, and garnish with sunflower seeds. Place the pastries on a baking tray. Finally, place the pastries in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Enjoy your treat.